today I have an unboxing of Diamond Art Club. Oh, this is exciting. I don't get a lot of Diamond Art Clubs. Let me get my scissors. Oh, here they are. Got them. So it comes in this outer box, which is nice, so it protects the canvas. And the outer box does say Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. With that lovely diamond there. It's not so easy to get into, huh? Well, goodness gracious. All right, here we go. It is round diamonds. I ordered rounds. Yay! I like squares, but I love this image. And Diamond Art Club does not give you a choice of squares or rounds. You get what you get. They make the decision when they chart it whether they're going to do it in squares or round. So here is the front, and this will tell you round. This thing will be round and red if it's a round painting, or it'll be square and black if it's or blue if it's a square painting, if you've got squares. On the back, it tells you the contents of the kit and how to diamond paint if you've never diamond painted. Let's see, do what makes you sparkle. Let's open the contents. So most of you know which one I ordered because I'm not quiet about that kind of thing. I don't keep it a secret. Let's, come on. Boy, their packaging is really good. So also on the box, if you scan this barcode before your next purchase, you can get 10% off. Yeah, so don't forget, there's a code on the box for a discount on your next purchase. There is the canvas. So it comes with a small sticker. I'm not going to show this to you. That, I have my Diamond Art Clubs all stacked up over here. And I always have to kind of move the stack to see what's in them. Because I can't always see this sticker. But what you can do is you can put the sticker on the end, or you can put it in your logbook. There's a lot of things you can do with the sticker. I'm going to put it back in here for when I actually do this painting. Let's see what's coming in the toolkit these days. Let's see. All right, let's just pour it all out. So it comes in this nice little bag that is branded, and it says Diamond Painting Toolkit. Yes, but it does say Diamond Art Club on the top. So you get 2 little pieces of heart wax. These are nice. This is nice pink wax. You get a small tray that has a funnel. You get these tiny little baggies, which are going to go right in the file 13. A nice thin 4-placer. I do like the 4-placers. I save in fact, I have a little container here where I save all my plastic thin 4-placers for later use, because I do love those. I will use the wax. I won't use this. I won't use this. It does have a squishy to go on the pen. I don't use those either. So that's also file 13. So let's look at the canvas. Now, the toolkit is fantastic. Now, I just sliced and diced it there because I have been diamond painting for almost 3 years. So I know what I use out of the toolkits, but if this was your first canvas, everything you need to diamond paint is in that toolkit. So we take the outer bag off, which is also branded. Let's get the drills out. So it comes with this beautiful sticker sheet that is serrated. All the numbers of the canvas are there. And there are, oh my God, 65 colors. When you kit this up, all you need to do is peel each little section off to put on your kit. I use Harbor Freights, so once I have this kitted up, there's a picture on the other side. I'll put that on the top of the container so I know which containers have which drills. You can put the start date, the end date. It has the name of the painting. You can also put this in your logbook if you want. So I'm not showing you the picture yet. Here are the drills. Oh my, look at those. So I see yellow ABs. So I am going to show these up close here soon. So you also get this step-by-step instruction book. Now, not only is there a coupon on the box, there's a coupon in here too. This has a thank you from the owner. It has tips and tricks. It has instructions on how to diamond paint. I thought they had a coupon in here as well. Yes, right here. This is a coupon right here, 10% code off your next purchase. So you got 2 coupons in here. So now let's roll the canvas. This is a tourmaline canvas. It's beautiful. It feels really soft. It has the serrated edges so that your canvas is not going to fray. I don't know if you can see that. Let me show you. See how it's got those little bumps? Yeah, it's serrated on the edges so the canvas won't be fraying on you. And because it is poured glue, you can roll it back. Now this is a canvas that I purchased the Hade pattern for, Heaven and Earth Design pattern for, gosh, about 2 years ago. I was going to it's a cross stitch pattern. I was going to convert it to a diamond painting. I never did, because converting Heaven and Earth Design to a diamond painting is not easy. And I've tried it a couple times and my eyes just don't track. It's like doing counted cross stitch. It's you have to really be able to tell where you are in the pattern, and yeah, it's extremely time consuming, extremely difficult. So I was very happy to see this canvas released by Diamond Art Club. This is a Jasmine Becket Griffith. It's called Clockwork something. There is the canvas. Oh, it is so beautiful. So it is called Clockwork Dragonling. Now, this is not doing it justice, I don't think. Wow, look at the butterflies. Oh my word, this is gorgeous. 65 colors. There's the dragon right here. Can you see the little dragon? I've got to bling this thing. Oh my word, look how pretty. I love that she's sort of steampunkish, you know, with the glasses and her outfit. And then she's sitting, you know, the background is this tree landscape background. You can see the light surrounding the butterflies. It's absolutely stunning. Wow, 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 wow. How many ABs do we get? We got 4 ABs. It looks like a yellow, green, a blue, and a couple of blues. Wow, wow, wow. All right, so do what makes you sparkle. That's on the top of the canvas. It's branded Diamond Art Club. That's their logo. I'll do a close-up. It has the schematic in the bottom left and the top right. So if you have a small work area, this fits very nicely on my drafting table and my A2 light pad. But if you have a smaller light pad and perhaps you need to, you know, roll up your painting, If I have a smaller light pad, I will roll it. I'll take a little clip, I'll clip it, and then you work just a little bit at a time, and that's perfectly fine. Just make sure you're always rolling your diamonds outward. But since I've got this rolled, the upper right is rolled, I can still look at the bottom left schematic. So, and if you're doing it the other way around, you can look at the schematic the other way. So the other thing I wanted to show you, that this is down here, it mentions the name of the artist, and it gives the size, 51 by 69 centimeters, which I thought was a pretty reasonable size. It wasn't huge, so that was one of the things I liked about this painting as well. Yes, it's a big-eyed girl, it is, but it's one that I have absolutely adored forever, and I haven't done a Jasmine Becket Griffith. I am actually, the next painting that I kit up will be a Jasmine Becket Griffith Alice. It's called Alice Van Gogh. That is a Craftibly painting, but that's because I'm doing the year of Alice, so this will be something for next year, this painting, but I'm just blown away. So let's take a look at the drills. So we want to take a look at the diamonds up close. So we've got, here is a picture of the diamond painting. This is the sticker sheet that you get. The Clockwork Dragonling. Now on it, it has, you can put a start date, end date. It has the name of the painting, the artist, the size, and the number of the diamond painting, which is always handy. All right, let's take a look at the drills. And there are a lot of them, 65 colors. So I don't know if we're going to show all 65. I will tell you that Diamond Art Club does this by weight. So these are the largest amounts of drills right here. You've got 310, 37. Yeah, here's your 310, 37.99, 33.71. You know, all colors that we're very familiar with. 645, 646, which are grays. 844, you've got a couple of bags of that. And then you've got 937 and 938 here. Those are the largest amounts of drills in this painting. A lot of dark in this painting. So now the least amounts are usually all your cool colors, so we'll save those for the last. Now here's the middle, the medium weights. So we've got our 38.65. I'm just going to run those past the camera. Look at the quality of those drills, nice and flat, so they'll stick nicely to the camera without popping up. There's your yellow ABs that are going to go in the area of that sun. I don't know, it doesn't want to focus. Come on. Hocus pocus. There we go. Beautiful. So here are the other colors. Lots of darks in here. Like I said, browns. Trying to untangle it. 65 colors, folks. So we're just going to go by the colors that aren't so great. You know, just a lot of you know, facial tones here, skin tones. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Blue ABs, dark blue. That is 136. Oh, that's pretty. Now this is in the butterflies. Really pretty.
Let's see, do we have anything else interesting? That's a pretty color right there. That is 820. And okay, now we're going to get to the smaller amounts of drills, but these are usually the really cool colors. So let's just take a look. Wow, there's a lot of them. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here's some more. Is that ABs? No, those are just regular, but really sparkly. Look at all the pretty colors. I haven't seen pink yet. Where's the pink? Oh, look at this one, 912. Like that. I like that. Some blues, some greens. There we go. We got some green ABs here. These are also in the butterfly. I think it just has 3 ABs. 3 or 4. I'm not positive. Oh, it's going to be 4. There's the 4th ones. Some more blues, but a different color blue. The other blue was much darker. And you have seen all 65 colors. Now I get the joy of putting them all back into the package.
Okay, they're back in the bags. It's not a great job, but they're back in. I did want to go ahead and show you the full picture of the sticker sheet. Here it is. This is what it will look like in the end. Very, very pretty and colorful. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I love that key that's kind of hanging from the butterfly. I don't know if you could see that. See that key there hanging from the butterfly? It's beautiful. So next year is the year of landscapes. I'm going to throw this one in for that because there's landscape behind her. Yes. So technically not a landscape, but I'm gonna make it a landscape. So guys, thank you. I was glad to bring this to you. I'm happy. I hope you guys can pre-order it or can get in on it. This is a beautiful, beautiful image by Jasmine Becket Griffith, and I really thank the artist. I've been a fan of hers forever. So excited that she's now at Diamond Art Club. I will see you all in my next video. Crafting and Crime Daily. Bye.